Today we're diving into the world of personal finance with a comparison between two popular apps, Kikoff and Self. Both platforms aim to empower users to take control of their financial futures, offering unique features and benefits. Let's explore their key attributes, as noted here, and help you make an informed decision.
Let's kick things off by taking a look at these programs' main features.
Credit building. Kikoff offers credit building tools, such as credit monitoring and personalized credit building plans, to help users establish and improve their credit scores. Budgeting tools. Manage finance effectively with Kikoff's budgeting tools, including expense tracking, goal setting, and personalized budget recommendations. Savings features. Save money effortlessly with Kikoff's automated savings features, such as roundup savings and recurring transfers, helping users to reach their savings goals faster. Financial education. Access a wealth of financial education resources and tutorials through Kikoff's platform, empowering users to make informed financial decisions.
Self features include Credit Builder Loans. Self offers credit builder loans, allowing users to establish or rebuild their credit history by making small monthly payments. Savings plans. Self provides users with the option to set up savings plans, enabling them to save for specific goals like emergencies, vacations, or major purchases. Credit monitoring. Self offers credit monitoring services, allowing users to stay informed about changes to their credit report and take proactive steps to protect their financial health. Financial coaching. Self provides access to financial coaches who can offer personalized guidance and support to help users achieve their financial goals.
Kikoff and Self both offer subscription-based models with varying pricing tiers. Kikoff's plans range from free to paid options, with additional features available at higher price points. Self offers credit builder loans, with monthly payments starting as low as $25, making it accessible to users with diverse financial circumstances. Kikoff and Self offer intuitive user experiences, with user-friendly interfaces and easy navigation. Both platforms prioritize simplicity and accessibility, making them suitable for users of all experience levels. However, some users may prefer Kikoff's focus on credit building tools, while others may favor Self's emphasis on credit builder loans and savings plans. Kikoff excels in providing comprehensive credit building tools and educational resources, while Self stands out for its credit builder loans and personalized financial coaching. But on the other hand, Kikoff's free plan may have limited features compared to its paid counterparts, and Self's credit builder loans require monthly payments and may not be suitable for everyone.
Alternatives to Kikoff and Self include Credit Strong, Chime Credit Builder, and the various secure credit cards available, each offering unique approaches to credit building and financial wellness.
In conclusion, both Kikoff and Self offer valuable tools and resources to help users improve their financial health and achieve their goals. Kikoff may be preferable for users seeking comprehensive credit building solutions and budgeting tools, while Self may appeal to those interested in credit builder loans and personalized financial coaching. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on individual preferences and financial objectives. Sign up for Kikoff or Self today to take control of your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips. Feel free to check out our brand new how-to series, and thank you for watching this video.